Surface area of a cuboid. Surface area of a cuboid. A cuboid is made up of 6 rectangular faces. When we cut and open a cuboid, we can see that there are 6 rectangular shapes, which collectively constitute a cuboid. To calculate the surface area of a cuboid, we need to work out the area of the 6 rectangular faces that make up the cuboid and add them up. Therefore, total surface area of a cuboid is equal to h multiplied by L plus breadth multiplied by L plus B multiplied by h plus L multiplied by h plus B multiplied by h plus L multiplied by B is equal to 2 multiplied by, within brackets, h multiplied by L plus B multiplied by h plus B multiplied by L. Total surface area is equal to 2 within brackets LB plus BH plus HL. Curved surface area of a cuboid is equal to 2 within brackets L plus B multiplied by H. The length, breadth and height of a box is 80 cm, 40 cm and 20 cm respectively. How many cubes of 40 cm will be required to fill it? Solution. Surface area of the box is equal to 2 multiplied by, within brackets, L plus B plus BH plus HL is equal to 2 within brackets 80 multiplied by 40 plus 40 multiplied by 20 plus 20 multiplied by 80 centimeters square is equal to 2 multiplied by, within brackets, 3200 plus 800 plus 1600 square centimeter is equal to 2 multiplied by 5600 centimeters square is equal to 11,200 square centimeter. Area of each cube is equal to 40 multiplied by 40 centimeters square is equal to 1,600 centimeters square. Therefore, number of cubes required is equal to surface area of the box divided by area of each cube is equal to 11,200 divided by 1,600 is equal to 7. Let us try to solve another example. The paint in a certain container is sufficient to paint an area equal to 9.375 square meters. How many bricks of dimensions 22.5 cm multiplied by 10 cm multiplied by 7.5 cm can be painted out of this container? Rahul wants to get the whitewash done for the 4 walls and the ceiling of his room. The measurement of the room is 4 meters multiplied by 5 meters multiplied by 6 meters. He has the additional information that 1 bucket of paint can be used for painting 16 square meters of the area. He now needs to know how many buckets of paint will be required for the full room. Solution. As we can see, the room is a cuboid, so we do not need to paint the floor. Therefore, we need to know about the curved surface area, which will be equal to the area of the 4 walls of the room and the ceiling. If we take the cuboid of the room, then the length is 4 meters, breadth is 5 meters, and the height is 6 meters. So, the curved surface area of a cuboid is equal to 2 multiplied by height multiplied by length plus breadth. On replacing the values of L, B and H, we get 2 multiplied by 6 into, within brackets, 4 plus 5, which is 12 multiplied by 9 or 108 square meter, and the area of the ceiling is 5 multiplied by 4 or 20 square meter. Thus, total area to be painted is equal to 108 plus 20 is equal to 128 square meter. Therefore, Number of paint buckets needed is equal to 128 divided by 16, that is 8 buckets.